first issue was published in October 1979 by The Observer newspaper, and it ran as a quarterly supplement for several years before it spun off as a freestanding publication. We aim to be a one-stop shop for self-directed investors. We cover macroeconomic perspectives, investment trusts, ETFs, and also direct equity investment, both experienced investors and for people who are relatively new to investing, just starting out. Probably the biggest project for each year is the rated funds, a shortlist of around 250, 260 high quality funds, trusts and ETFs that we think are going to stand investors in good stead, no matter what kind of aims and outcomes they're looking to achieve.
Income is the key topic that we cover. Our readers want to know how to generate a sustainable income, either leading up to or during retirement. And the pension freedoms have made this an even bigger challenge for people because annuities are no longer the default option for people when they retire. We also run a couple of articles each year which highlights how to generate £10,000 worth of income through shares, funds and investment trusts. Investors are increasingly trying to look forward and find how they can profit in the future, and we're trying to direct people towards these themes that could prove profitable.
The big macro theme right now is the continued low interest rate environment. The question of how long that will last, if ever interest rates start going back up, what that would mean for US equities. Big questions occupying investors is the growing rivalry between the US and China and what the economic fallout of that could be. Closer to home, the two big worries for investors are Brexit and the Jeremy Corbyn government. So we've covered the growing rise of passive investment vehicles, ETFs, low-cost tracker funds. What that might mean for markets in general is a big question worrying some people, and also what it means for the asset management industry and portfolio construction and the kind of increased focus on fund costs and the falling fees that resulted from these new passive products.
Money Observer offers the most comprehensive and full universe of investment funds available anywhere in the UK. You'll find the full universe of investments online, as you'd expect. So the unit trusts are there, the closed-ended investment funds, the rated funds and the exchange-traded funds. We produce a number of portfolios in the magazine, and the model portfolios are very popular. Something like 79% of the readership follows the model portfolios.
There is a real need, an increasing need probably, for self-directed investors to have a place they can go where they can find reliable, high-quality, in-depth assessments and ideas for their investment project. Money Observer's brand is a really strong and enduring one.